Ford's Territory SUV, which is currently sold in some Asian countries, is rumored to be launched in India within the next few months. In the company's global lineup, the new Ford Territory sits between the EcoSport and Explorer SUVs. Ford Territory is based on the JMC Yusheng S330 and measures 4,580mm in length, 1,936mm in width, and 1,674mm in height, with a wheelbase length of 2,716mm. The SUV draws power from a 1.5-litre turbo petrol engine which develops a peak power of 143 PS from 4,200 to 5,200 RPM and a maximum torque of 225 Nm from 1,500 to 4,000 RPM. The SUV is available with two transmission options, a 6-speed manual and a CVT. In the Chinese market, it is also available with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, but we are not sure if that would be available on the Indian spec version. Also, Ford Territory is only offered in a 2-row, 5-seat configuration. Ford Territory has an aggressive look featuring a muscular bonnet, a blacked-out grille, a wide air dam, a silvered skid plate, and sleek LED headlights. On the sides, it is flanked by roof rails, blacked-out B-pillars, indicator-mounted ORVMs, and designer multi-spoke wheels. Wrap-around taillights connected with a strip of chrome, a window wiper, and Territory lettering are available on the rear. Inside the Territory, one is greeted with a spacious cabin in dual-tone theme which is fully loaded with features. The equipment is filled to the brim with modern gizmos including a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment unit compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 10-inch digital instrument cluster, a push-button start, smart keyless entry, electrically adjustable driver's seat, ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and much more. It also receives an exhaustive list of features under its safety kit, such as 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, 360-degree camera, parking assist, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring system, etc. With the popularity of SUVs rising steadily in India,